Dialogue. Talking about chores. Vocabulary. Cleaned up. Made not dirty or messy.
Pigsty. Pig's house, but it refers to a dirty house, room, office, etc.
Put away. Return something to the proper location.
Tackle. Take on.
Throw in. Put something into something.
Clean as you go. A strategy when you clean something immediately after making it dirty or messy.
Over the top. Too much. Excessive. Tina and Emily are talking about a plan for cleaning their house. Let's get this place cleaned up. It's a pigsty in here.
I know, I hate it. Okay, why don't we put away all this stuff first? Then it'll be easier to clean.
Good plan. After that, why don't I tackle the bathrooms and you can do the floors?
Sure, I'll throw in a load of laundry first, though.
Okay, then we can tackle the dusting and clean up the kitchen and whatever else there is to do.
This is gonna take us so long. Can we try to clean as you go next month? This is over the top.